Welcome to K.House, a tropical modern garden house located in the center of Phan Thiet City, Vietnam. This residence is a blend of new design and nostalgic memories. Inspired by a family home that stood here for over 30 years, they wanted to ensure the optimization of two available garden areas while preserving old values and creating a fresh modern space. The house is divided vertically, balancing family activities and accommodation services with flexible spaces that can open and close. The central axis of the house is formed by two long, parallel corridors connecting the front and back gardens. These corridors allow residents to fully experience the natural sounds, smells, and views, bringing the outdoors in. The use of large exposed iron trusses adds height and openness to the design, inspired by resort architecture in Mui Ne. Natural materials like Thun Hoa stone, wood, and rattan lanterns are used to enhance the tropical aesthetic. The garden spaces provide a relaxing escape from the bustling city, offering tranquility in the heart of nature. This thoughtful balance of old and new creates a harmonious living environment that feels timeless. Simple, elegant furniture with wood and leather details further complements the tropical feel of the space. Although K-House is a modern creation, it retains a deep connection to the family's past and lifestyle. From the old custard apple trees to the familiar small gate, every detail reflects the memories of the original home. The metal pergola and dark tones contrasting with the lush greenery add sophistication and a contemporary touch to the house's design. Every detail, from the furniture to the materials and textures, was carefully designed to provide comfort and privacy for the residents. K-House is a perfect example of how architecture can become an urban retreat in perfect harmony with nature, right in the heart of the city. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.